Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 12th mathematics chapter number 5 matrices residue. In this chapter first we will learn adjoint of a square matrix. So first question, how to find the adjoint of a square matrix. You see here square matrix, that means we will find adjoint like 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. Here first we learn how we find adjoint of a square in 2 by 2 matrix. First need to find some matrices. Sum matrices, that means what is the sum matrix? It will be same order as the original matrix. So we need to find it. 4 elements here. Each element will be the cofactor of the corresponding elements from the original matrix. You see here original matrix 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Then we will find cofactor of each element. Cofactor of 1, cofactor of 2, cofactor of 3, cofactor of 4. So here we have the cofactor of the 1 elements. Here you see 1 element. First we find the cofactor of 1, that means A11. After that we find cofactor of 1 second element. Here after that 2 1 and 2 2. First we find cofactor of each element. Cofactor of each element. In determinants we already learned how to find the determinants, but I will explain once again. You see here we find the cofactor of the 1 element and 1 second element, like that, so on. Once is matrix is done, we need to find its transpose. First we find cofactors, after then we find transpose. Okay, transpose of this matrix, and that will give to adjoint of A. That will give to adjoints of A. We find the cofactor first and then find the transpose of this matrix, and we will get adjoint of this matrix. Okay. So you see here first element will be 1. First element will be 1. You see in this 1, 2, 3, 4. Here first element, that means row first, and it is a column first. That is why we write here 1 1. Okay, A11. So here first element will be 1. What will be its cofactor? It will be negative. We know already. It will be negative raised to the power 1 plus 1, because first row, first column. So we write here 1 plus 1. Okay. Multiply minor and multiply minor. You see here, like that we find cofactor. Here we write 1 cofactor is equal minus negative 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1 multiply minor. Now question is, what will be its minor? What will be its minor? So for minor we exclude row and column and find the determinants what remain. You see here, if we want to find cofactor of 1, first we need to find its minor. First we need to find its minor and we learn about it. How we find this its minor? We will exclude row and column. We will exclude row and column and find determinants. What remains here? So you see here remains only 4. Here remains only 4. So 4, determinant of 4. Okay, determinant will 4 will be 4. Here you see the determinant of 4 will be 4 only. So that is why we write here negative power 1 plus 1 2 and minor it's 4. Now in this case you see here negative 1's raised to 2, it is positive 1 because 1 to the minus 1 to the power it is a plus 1. So we get here plus 1. Okay, plus 1, that means positive 1 multiply 4, that means cofactor of 1 is equal 4. Cofactor of 1 is equal 4. So 4 is the cofactor of 1. 4 is the cofactor of 1. Okay. Next we find the cofactor of 2. The cofactor of 2. You see here, in place of 2, we find cofactor of 2. Okay. And 2 is lies, element 2 lies in the 1-2th position. So we multiply. Here you see column second and row first. So we write here row plus column. That means 1 plus 2. It is our first row and it is our second column. So we write here 1, 2. That is why v plus negative raised to 1 plus 2. It will become 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply. Now we find cofactor of 2. Determinant of 2. Okay. For this, first, we will exclude row and column and find determinants. What's remain? You see, if we exclude row and column, only 3 is remain here. 3 is remain here and determinant 3 will be 3. Determinant 3 will be 3. That is why we multiply negative raised to 3 multiply 3. You see here negative raised to 3, it will become negative 1s. So here we multiply minus 1 multiply 3, it will become minus 3. So minus 3 is the cofactor of 2. Minus 3 is cofactor of 2. Okay. Now we will find cofactor of, try to find first, pause the video and try to find determinant minor of 3 and 4. Minor of 3 and 4 and cofactor of 3 and 4. You see here cofactor of 3. Here you see it is our second row and first column. So we write here 2 plus 1 multiply minor. It also become 3 and minor we exclude row and column and remain is only 2. And we know determinants of 2 will be 2. So here we get minus 2. You see in first case here we get 4. In second case here we get only minus 3 and here minus 2. Cofactor of 3 is minus 2. And now last cofactor of 4. It is our second row and second column. Second row and second column. So here we write 2 plus 2. That means 2 2s are 4. And we know negative 1 raised to 4 is positive ones. And here we exclude row and column and remains only 1. So we write here 1. That means 1 multiply 1 is equal 1. So our you see, we find first some matrix. You see here, our new matrix is 4, minus 3, 2 and 1. Now, we will find transpose. Okay, for transpose, you know that we exchange row and column. So, you see, this is our column. It will become row. That means 4 minus 2. And this is our second column. It will become second row. And we get 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. Okay. Minus 3 1. So adjoint A is equal 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So here, for finding adjoint of a square matrix, first we will find the cofactors of each element, and after then find the transpose of this matrix. And we know for transpose of this matrix, we interchange row to column. Okay, here you see this column become row and this column become row. Okay, and you see this row interchange for with column and this row become column. Okay, so it is our answer. Like that we find adjoint of a square matrix. Okay, now we will find adjoint of a matrix 3 by 3. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. We take example number 2. You see here, first we need to find cofactor of each element. And you see each element. Now, you see cofactor is equal minus 1 to the power I plus j. That means number row and position of row and column multiply minor. What is minor? We exclude row and column and solve. Remain. What remains means determinants. Okay. Now you see, if we want to find out cofactor of 1, we need to write 1. What is this? What is the place of in this element? Element is place A11. That means first row and first column. And here it is our row first. So we write here 1 plus 1 multiplies. You see, if we exclude remains value here minor 2, 3, 1, 2. And we know how to solve this. Here you see, it is a negative raised to 2, its ones, positive ones. So here we write only 1 multiply. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. That means 2. Sorry, that means 1. 4 minus 3 is equal 1. 1 multiply 1, it will become 1. Okay, now next element this cofactor of 2. You see cofactor of 2 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into minor. Minor, that means this 3 2 3, 3, 1, 3. Okay. You see here minus 1 to the power 3. Then it will become minus, and 3 2s are 6 minus 3. That means minus 1 multiply 3. It will become minus 3. Okay. Now next element, cofactor of 1. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. That means positive ones, and here only remains matrix 3 2 1 1. 3 2 1 1. Then we get minus it will become positive 1. 1 multiply 3 ones are 3 and 2 ones are 2. So it is also 1. Okay. Now we need to find coefficient of 3. So here you see place of 3, 2 plus 1, it will become minus 1, and here you see this. Okay. 2 1 1 2. It will become 2 2s are 4 minus 1. That means minus 1 multiply 3. It will become minus 3. Like that we find cofactor of next element here 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, and our determinant you see with this 2 ones are 2 and minus 1 ones are 1. That means minus 1, it will become plus 1 into 1. That means 1. Okay. So like that we find cofactor of each element and we get new matrix. So our cofactor is 1 minus 3, 1, 3, 1. It is a new matrix cofactors like that. Okay. So cofactor A, 1, 1, A, 1, 2, A, 1, 3. You see, for finding adjoint of a square matrix A, first we interchange row with column. So you see here, it is our row and here it will become column. It will become column. So here you see 1 minus 3, 1. This value we replace here 1 minus 3 and 1 with this. Okay. And second, cofactor A1, A21, A22 and A23. It also change A21, A22, A23. You see here minus 3, 1, 1. So it will become minus 3, 1, 1. Okay. And last A31, A32, A33. Cofactor of 311, 322 and 333. We change and it will become 4, 0 and minus 4. It is our answer. Very easy to find adjoint of a square matrix. I hope you have must understand. Please solve other questions, examples, and if you have any doubt, you ask me. After solving cofactor, we find first transpose of this matrix and we find adjoint of a square matrix. In next class, I will explain some theorems. We will learn some more things related to matrices. Okay. Thank you, students.